Hello, welcome back sharing with Seryna. Recently, I turned in my business plan to IEWBC, a professional team, waiting for notes. Now, why do I want to be in business? For me, it has to be my passion. But it's not only my field of study, but also my experiences, my culture, and my desire wanting to help other people, especially females. Growing up in an Asian society, females have so many limitations. I remember when I was young, I had to be inside doing chore, and my brother was playing outside. I complained to my dad, and my dad told me, this is a girl responsibility. I threw a tantrum, and he goes, bad girl. What's so bad about wanting to play outside with the guy? This is one thing I don't like about my culture. Girls cannot do the same thing as boys. No wonder women have so much restriction than men. I know Vietnamese society is changing, but there are many women still carry honor the tradition. Why? Oh, and another thing that I don't like about my culture, and I think this is similar to many Asian cultures. Don't be an artist. When you tell your family that you want to be a lawyer, a doctor, yeah, 100% support, right? But when you tell them that you want to be an artist, the things that you probably hear a lot is all the negative consequences to the point that you doubt yourself. I know it's challenging to be an artist because you probably won't get recognition until you're dead, or unless you are very successful one. But if it's your passion, pursue it. And this is what I learned from being American or living in American society. Now, there are different types of arts. We are trained to recognize realistic images, experiences, or stories. What's about an abstract art? Art work with a different concept, like Hannah Oak, Sophia Topper Art, or Suzanne Duchamp. I don't know who Suzanne Duchamp until I did my research, but I read plenty about Marcel Duchamp, her brother. What I'm trying to say is art has many flavors. Every artist has something unique about them that they can offer to our society. So don't be afraid trying something new or develop and observe or nonsense ideas. That's what art is to me. Once I get my business plan and file my fictitious name, I will share some more of my thoughts. For now, back to the drawing board to see how I can develop my concepts. See you next time. Bye-bye.